Hey guys, it's Victoria and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my ring light and probably reviewing it, see how good I like it. So let's get into it. Before we get into the video, I want to say two things. One, I'm sorry for this lighting. It's like 2 in the morning. And two, it already broke. But my sister broke it. She was trying to set it up and then she like pushed the 3 little things you guys will see. She pushed that down and it broke, and then I told my stepdad to super glue it and he did, and then another little piece broke and a bunch of shit happened. So I called my grandpa and he was like, it's probably because it was from China too. Like nothing in China is like a good like that. So we are gonna send it back. He's gonna get his money back. We're probably gonna get another one, but not that same one, obviously. But here's my reaction of when I first opened it. Package, it already ripped in the corner from being in the mailbox. I'm gonna start to, let me take it off. I have to say, watch it not even my ring right there. Okay. How do I open this? Oh my god, it's kind of little. That's what my grandpa to order for me. I don't even know. I'm just like, yeah, order me a ring light. Let's see. This is hard with one hand. Don't come on my nails. I was biting them earlier. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my god. This is tiny. Okay. Okay. What's it feel like? Oh, I thought that was the ring light. Okay. So it feels like plastic. And then I guess this is where you hold the phone. And then this is a little stand. This thing goes long, it said. I don't know how long. This is a pod. Monopod. Okay, I'm gonna try to put this together. Let's see right here. Sorry, it's a bad angle. Let me turn this light on for now. Okay. So, sis, how do I do this? Okay. I think this goes here. Yeah, this is gonna be a fast video. Okay. Yeah, this does go here. I don't even know if this is a real ring light, so don't come at me. I don't even care. So don't come at me. Okay. Now what? What's this? Oh, so you could change it. So like this is like, if you want to stand it up, I don't know. Damn, it goes pretty long. So like if you want to stand it up, I guess. And it moves. But you could tighten it right here, I think. Yeah, you could tighten it there. Okay, let me do it with the one that just stands up on its own. The one that I'll probably use for my YouTube videos. Okay. Okay, well that fell. Alright. Anyway, this is the one I would use, so let's see. And then you like do some shit like that. Oh shit. Okay. Let me, oh, I need my box. I need my box for it. I need to plug it in. Okay, let me go get a box. This better have good lighting. Okay. Let me plug it in. Okay. Sis, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Okay. Oh. Okay, how do I do this? Oh! Sis, you're lying. Oh, look at this. Oh, yellow. Wow. I wanna. Oh, what? That's so cool. And turn that off. The little buttons. Period. Period. Okay. Yeah, this one. You guys see this? This is about to make doing my makeup and my YouTube videos so much better. Period. But the only thing is, I thought this was gonna have like. Oh wait, there's one more thing. Let me see what that is. Okay. Okay. These are the instructions, but they're in Chinese. I guess this came from China. Oh my god, coronavirus. Oh shit. Okay, that was a battery. Yeah, you know, if I could read the instructions, but I can't read Chinese. This is a camera, so I'll probably take a picture. Is there any in English? No, it's all in Chinese. What is this thing? Let me look at the pictures. LED.
Product illustration. Oh wait, this is in English.
I don't get this. Oh, I think you have to Bluetooth it. Maybe. I'm gonna try to Bluetooth it. Let me go on Bluetooth. Maybe that's what it is. Bluetooth. What would this be called? Not a lot are popping up. I mean, how else would this work? Like, hello. Look, it's like. Oh, that doesn't help. It's like a little thing that has a little camera. Oh, sis. Okay, let me open this up some more. Look, it's not like you can't Bluetooth it. What? LED off. Oh, off on. Oh, okay. There. I think this is it. It's connected. What do I do? So what, like, if I were to set up my phone? What? Oh! Let me turn this off real fast. Oh, so if you want to do TikToks, if you want to do TikToks, you use this. Dang, girl. You use this, and then you put this right here to hold it up. That makes sense now. What just snapped? Oh. Oh, it's just this little thing you got stuck. It's okay. Anyway. So you use this. And then that's how you make the TikToks. And then, what was I just thinking? Okay, so I just wanted to say, obviously you could put the ring light in here, but how would you use the phone? Because the phone has to connect on one of these too, this little thing. So how would that work? Because this just goes like this. But where does the ring light go? Maybe you would have to like just set this up and then put the ring light on this, maybe? Okay. Let me tighten this right there. But like then this wouldn't stand up. I'm confused now. Let me tighten this some more. Okay. Where would I put this then? How would I stand this up? With that? I'm just gonna put it right there. Pad. Oh shoot. What the heck? Let me put this down more. I'll just put it right here. Let's see if this could hold it. Okay. And then I'm gonna take my phone, go on the camera. Let me screen record. I'll try to put that in. But this, let me try to take off the screen protector right here. I'm not gonna be able to. So, oh, there's that. That's why it's gonna look bad, is because my screen protector is peeling on this. The glass broke right there, so it's peeling off of it. See, I don't know. I'm gonna look at the camera. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay, let me start screen recording. Okay, let me start screen recording. Let me turn this on. So like, oh, you're lying! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, sis! Oh, that's so cool. Wait, I'm gonna try to hide this. Let's see how far I could go. Sis! Bro, this is so cool. I want to turn the volume up or down. What the hell? This shit is cool, bruh. This shit is cool. Let me go. I like it when I'm on the home page. It turns up the volume. Can you be like, hey Siri? I don't know. That's very interesting. No, it's off. Does it automatically go connect? Oh, it automatically connects. Okay, so I really like this. I really like this, guys. Period. And this was like $30-$40. It wasn't even one of those expensive ones. I don't know, like I don't even care, but the real ones are probably hella expensive. But sis, oh shit, this one probably is better than the actual one. But let me turn this off. Okay, now let me take this off. Let's see how long this could get. Oh, period. They need to like make a holder so I could put it like right here. If not, I think I could make one myself. Just be like, boom. Okay, sis. Okay, sis. This lighting is so good. Okay, so I give it a 9 out of 10. That's only because I can't use this at the same time as like the ring lights on. And other than that, I really like it. I don't know if I still have the link, but I got it from Amazon, so y'all could go deadass just search it up, ring light, and it'll pop up. I think it was like 30 or 40. But that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell. Bye.